Hi, I'm Gloria Pierson and I'm a certified life coach. This video today is on how to make a vision board for visualization. I recently did a 5-part series on visualization, and from the comments I get from people, they always find it hard to keep the vision. And I use the analogy, if you don't keep the vision, it's like taking a photo with a camera and moving it. So it's blurry. So that's why a vision board is a great, simple way. It's a lot of fun to make. You can do it kind of however you want, but I have a specific way I like to do it that goes into all the areas of your life so you can keep balance. And I'm going to go over 2 different types of vision, one a traditional and the other one more of a cutting edge one. So stay tuned. Now, if you enjoy my channel, I ask you to hit that subscribe button. I'm here to motivate you and guide you to create the life that you want and that you deserve. But let's go ahead and get started. So, you ready to get started? Now, what is a vision board? A vision board puts your intentions in a physical form. And then every time you look at it, it triggers something in your brain, your third eye, goes to your subconscious mind and connects with source. It's staying consistent and persistent with the vision you have for your life. Now, Carl Jung, the very famous psychologist, talked about visionary art. And that's how I want you to look at this. Just because it's not in your physical environment, your work, your home, your career, your family, doesn't mean that it's not there. So look at this as visionary art. The sky is the limit. And like I said, there's 2 ways I'm going to go over. The first is the traditional one, and there's 4 steps to do this. First, gather all your stuff so it doesn't stop your creative process. And I brought all kind of props here, so again, it's visual. So you'll need a bunch of magazines that you can cut pictures from, maybe some quotes that you like, you can get off the internet. Family photos are just photos. And it's important to get one photo of just you looking very happy and content. So gather a bunch of things like that. Then you'll need some scissors to cut things out. You'll need some glue to glue it all to a board. And I always like to use some colored markers just to mark it up, maybe write your quotes instead of cutting them out, just to really have a lot of fun with it. Then you'll need a board to put it on. I usually use a poster board, but if you want to use like a drawing pad, something like this, I've done this, and just take a page in here. Or a traditional poster board. It doesn't matter. So that's the first part, is get everything ready. Then after you get everything ready, the second is connect. I want you to connect with your soul, with your heart. So when you're getting ready to do this, find a time where you can be alone, get everything maybe on a table, maybe light a candle, maybe some incense, and then just take a few deep breaths and connect with your soul. And then think about, what are your intentions? What do you want? And then start looking through the magazines, the photos. And what I like to do is I like to take the board and divide it into 4 different areas. Because these are usually, I have found as a coach, the 4 areas that people want changes in their life. And it also helps you give a balance. Now again, this is just a suggestion. You can do whatever you want. But I would take the poster and put the picture of yourself right in the middle, where you're looking happy and content. It doesn't have to be the perfect picture of yourself. It's how you're feeling in the picture that's important. And then divide it into 4 areas. The first is relationships. And this could be family relationships. It could be if you're looking for love, you want to find some pictures of what you would like to do with somebody that you meet. This area is career and creative expression. What is that for you? What do you envision? The bottom here is abundance. Do you want more money? Do you want to make more money? Or abundance in some other area in your life? So find quotes and photos that visualize that for you. Then here is health and leisure time. And leisure time is also the spirituality, if you want to bring more spirituality in your life. So take the paper: relationship, career, creative expression, abundance, health and leisure time, but a big picture of you right in the middle, because that keeps the balance. So spend some time, put everything in. There is no right or wrong for this. It's whatever you feel comfortable with. So the first step was gather. The second is connect to your soul, find the pictures. And the third is to display. Display this somewhere where you could see it every day. Whether it's in your bedroom, your office, maybe you want to hang it as you're going out your back door. You can also take a photo of it and put that on your phone and carry it with you throughout the day. And again, what you're doing is you're triggering the images into your subconscious mind to bring it into reality in the physical form. And the fourth is let the universe do its part. Don't worry about the how. Just have faith that it is going to take about. Now, some people suggest that you change these every 6 to 12 months. That is up to you. Sometimes I keep mine for 6 months, a year, sometimes even a couple years. It just depends. And again, I like it because it gives balance into your life. And it's a fun project. Have fun with it, be creative. And the 4 steps again: you gather, you connect, you display, and you let the universe do its part. Now, the second way I'm going to tell you can do kind of a vision board, and this is really a cutting edge kind of technology that I found on Etsy, and I'll put the link below here in the comments. And it's a digital portrait. So what you do is you take a portrait of yourself, and again, it would be how you're feeling good. And then you write what all your intentions are and what you would like to do, and then you send it to them. And then what they do is they do a graphic design of you already manifesting what you want. Think of how great that is for the energy, because we have auras around us. So this is you in the future already looking how you will when you manifest what you want with those intentions. And you get several revisions with this. So what I love about this, you can put it on a t-shirt, you can put it on the phone, you can put it in the wallpaper on your computer, and it's you in the future with graphic design. So I'll put the link for that below. Now, if you enjoy my videos, I ask you to please hit that subscribe button. Remember, sharing is caring. And if you need some more work on visualization, check out my 5 video series. Sending you lots of love and light. Until next time.